Imagine if you could download the wisdom of the world's greatest minds in just a fraction of the time. What if you could read twice as fast, learn faster, and achieve more without spending years trying to figure things out on your own? Reading is the most powerful way to accelerate your growth. It gives you direction, access to decades of wisdom in just a few hours. Every successful person has one thing in common. They read a lot. And if you are not reading, you are falling behind. But there is the secret. It's not just about reading more. It's about reading faster and smarter. That's where speed reading changes everything. Speed reading isn't just about flipping through pages quickly. It's about absorbing more information in less time. It allows you to digest entire books in hours instead of weeks. Imagine learning new skills, business strategies, or personal growth lessons in a fraction of time it takes most people. Think about it. If you could read twice as fast, you could finish twice as many books. That means twice the knowledge, twice the wisdom, and twice the advantage over the competition. Want to master success? Read biographies. Why? Because they give you a blueprint of the greatness. They reveal the strategies, failures, and breakthroughs of the history's most extraordinary individuals. Learn their lessons, model their mindset, and apply their wisdom to your own journey. Speed reading lets you absorb years of experience from the world's best in just a few hours. It's like having personal mentors guiding you without ever meeting them. The faster you read, the faster you learn. The faster you learn, the faster you grow. Invest in your mind. Master the art of speed reading and watch how quickly your life transforms. If this inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more life-challenging motivation. Your future is waiting. Turn the page and start reading.